In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made my first $1,000 with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And it was with this course, this program called Affiliate Income Network System. And what it did, it gave me step-by-step on how I set up my business from start to finish. And it also offers 50% commissions on every product and service. And this is video number 2 in a series where I'm showing you guys an inside look in the course. If you didn't catch video number 1, at the end of this video, if you stick around, there's going to be a picture, and just click that link and it takes you to video number 1. Or you can just go down in the description, I'll leave a link there. And what I love about this course and also this mentorship, it just doesn't teach me to put a link in my bio and create content so people can click the link. It shows me how to create a long-term business, because trends end. The tactics and the strategy that he has shown me, I have a long-term business where I can promote multiple products and services at any given time, as long as they line up with my buyer's persona. Before we jump inside the course, let me show you some do's and don'ts and how high-ticket affiliate marketing really works. Let's get into it. Now, this is what I used to do before I got a coach and figured out there was a method to making money with affiliate marketing. What I used to do is post like shorts on YouTube or make YouTube videos. Used to do TikTok, Facebook shorts, and Pinterest to a potential customer and lead them to a link in my bio for a product that I didn't own. That's what affiliate marketing is. And led them to Amazon, to ClickBank, Digistore, or to some type of software product, and hoping to make some money. I ain't gonna lie, I made a couple of sales, but it was a couple of sales over a few months where I could have been making more money. But the biggest part of the biggest mistake that I learned with this, I did not know who I was selling to. My mentor told me that you have to create a buyer's persona, an avatar, a person that you're speaking to through social media. Now let's go to the course and let me show you what I'm talking about. Now we're inside the course. As you see, there's a lot going on here, but for this video, I'm gonna keep it real simple. Well, I'm gonna teach you guys or show you guys what I learned about finding the buyer's persona or creating an avatar so I know who I'm speaking to through my social media outlets. Now the buyer persona, inside the course, he has a video linked up and he also has a workbook. I'm not going to bore you with the video, but I'm going to go over the workbook with you guys very quick and show you what I'm talking about. We have to know who we're speaking to. Now here's the workbook right here. This is my mentor. His name is Ronnie Cotton, and he's the CEO of Affiliate Income Network System. This workbook was very essential to me learning who I was actually selling to, because if I don't know who I'm selling to, I'm actually selling to nobody. Just in case you guys don't know what a buyer's persona is. Your buyer's persona is a fictional person who represents your ideal customer or a portion of your audience. Their interests, challenges, and problems align with your audience. With a persona, you can create more engaging content that resolves your audience problems and speak to their interests. On top of that, you can also use personas to improve your overall marketing strategy. Now I'm gonna go down the workbook a little bit. We're gonna talk about demographics and also psychographics. The person you're speaking to they have situations, right? And this would be your buyer's persona's profile. Interests, hobbies, lifestyles, their personality, values, and opinions, right? Just say your avatar was a female, right? You would go down here, you would give them a name. That person's name, we're gonna say her name is Jill. And her situation is that she's a single mom with 3 kids and a full-time job. Or she might be a married mom, a stay-at-home mom. She has a couple of kids and a husband gone, but she has a lot of time at home on a computer, right? Different situations, 1 or 2 different situations, right? But you have to pick one. Then her name is what I say is Jill. Her age is probably, let's say, 32, gender female, marital status. It depends on what you picked up here at the top, right? Education, occupation, religious beliefs, her interests, hobbies, lifestyles, personality, values, opinions, right? All this matters, because if I don't know who I'm speaking to, right, I'm not speaking to nobody, because you just can't promote or market a product and try to speak to everybody. It doesn't work that way. And this is something that I did not know in the beginning. Once I learned this, my whole marketing strategy changed and I started making money. And also the workbook created mine, it was a male, because I just used my situations. But if you go down, it's the same thing for the male, and it goes deeper about the goals. The worksheets is very detailed, so you have in mind exactly what your avatar, your potential customer looks like, and also what they're like. This video was going to be about finding the correct niche. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here, and what I'm going to do down in the description, I'm going to leave you guys a copy of this workbook so you can create an avatar for your potential customer. And in the next videos, I'm gonna show you guys how to pick the correct niche and find the correct niche. Rock future media. Check it out. Peace.